Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Go 2, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down and tap on System and Update. Then let's scroll down again and find Backup and Reset, and tap on Reset Device. Here let's tap on Reset All Settings and tap on Reset. Here we've got the information that the settings will be reset and this operation cannot be undone, so be aware about that and simply tap on Reset. And basically, this is it, simply wait until it will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.